Bullet in her head and her back. Every girl fear get back shot. Them a talk and talk.
What's up YouTube, it's about Tyreek Vlogs aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. What's good, Belize? I told you all that today we're bringing to you Denzi Talk official video. Didn't I tell you guys that? Didn't I? And here we go. You're welcome. Now let's see what's popping about this song. You guys been recommending this song from the day it released. I saw the day it released. I just didn't watch the video because I wanted to give you guys a first time reaction. I remember I post every single day, so I gotta stress the videos out, but you are going to tune in regardless of whatever time I post it. I want to say thank you very much for the continued support. We're like, at the time of this recording, we are sitting at 800 subscribers away from 40k, and that's the goal to hit by December the 31st. So subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Thief everybody phone in your house, your mother, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your father, your granny, your grandpa, and subscribe. Let's see what's happening for this video right now. Run through. Alright. RR. Hot girl. Fresh. Kicks. Ooh. I should have a little nice little something go on around the side too. Ooh. Go on.
DJ
Big up DJ Perp.
People are dead in the place where me come from, brother. North Ghetto youth stun gun man, brother.
Sure.
Been through the storm but still man there.
Yeah.
Tryna make the trend, tryna make life better. Who say where the fuck you talk about? Enough man I hate when they walk out. Me I fuck them y'all up and
Pause. The dance that was a people that in the place where them come from, brother. Enough I'm afraid them turn gunman, brother. Pull up a song and the man have to say. Pull up.
DJ Perp.
enough people are dead in the place where me come from, brother. North Ghetto youth stun gun man, brother. Been through the storm but still man there.
Yeah.
Tryna make the trend, tryna make life better. Who say where the fuck you talk about? Enough man I hate when they walk
Big up
out.
Stick.
Me a
I
fuck
see
the
ya, I
girl
see ya.
up and narcos. Every day I mean she a talk about. Bring her man the girl come we sort out. Come chill with the narco.
Hey.
Look on the Benz and me macho. Girl I click them eye when me pass up.
Yeah.
Kill them with style when me floss up. Blow the ice when me rock, make me time cold. On the pussy can't
Brother. We never expect that scene there. Why the hell you go up there so?
style when I'm high show. Every fat pussy girl have to climb up. Just do when me say, man.
That's a bad already. They don't know that going on. Once representing for the females, them, the reaction boss is very, very happy. So let's continue representing for the females then, because of that we like see. Go on.
Talk and talk and talk. Boy, you better watch where you walk. Anywhere we go, we lock. Bullet in her head and her back. Every girl fear get back shot. Them a talk and talk.
Hey. 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 I realize that you guys mostly watch my videos during the night. It doesn't matter what time of the day I post them. So I'm going to tell you guys this because I'm just assume you're watching in the night. Make sure say you give her that tonight. Go on.
Talk and talk and talk. Boy, you better watch where you walk. Anywhere we go, we lock. Bullet in her head and her back. Every girl fear get back shot. Pretty girl in the place every time we roll out. First them never see me, now me page them a scroll.
Sure.
Fresh cars from me feet, now me got me polo.
Sure.
My brother them a shine, in the dark them a glow.
Alright.
Me have to work hard, now me there when me there. And my brother them we gone, still I live every day. Gunshot kill a boy anywhere we in there. His mother did a bar when she reached every tray. All the family a ball out, ball out, ball out, ball out.
No, pause. Hold on, pause. You cannot watch the video right now. You just relax and want to vibe. So you have to drop some fire emotion in the comment section right now. All if you're forward from Belize, represent. Full up the comment section of BFI emoji and go check out the artist. Make him know that the reaction boss selling over there. So you know, I forgot over there comment that. I didn't even go over there comment that some fire emoji. That's all I'm asking for doing. Anything at all now. Fire emoji and that run the place already. You understand me? They know say the reaction boss and they want it to comment there. fire emoji. So go and spam some fire emoji over Denzi. You see me, I say song called Talk, or check it out for yourself. Go on.
Shot make them ball out, ball out, ball out, ball out. Them a talk and talk, talk and talk and talk. Boy, you better watch where you walk. Anywhere we go, we lock. Bullet in her head, down her back. Every girl fear get back shot. Them a talk and talk, talk and talk and talk. Boy, you better watch where you walk. Anywhere we go, we lock. Bullet in her head, down her back. Every girl fear get back shot.
Just that line there. I mean, I can repeat over the line there over and over because the people let me hear that good and properly understand what you really are saying. You understand me? Because the females, they do deserve it, you know. They really do deserve it, and a lot of these guys not giving it to them, or they giving it to the wrong gender. Oh, Lord. No, never mind that. Go on. Sure, she deserves it, you know. She deserves Wally because right now I look at that could have helped her. Big up yourself, oh my God. Yeah. I'm showing why I'm saying I look at that could have helped her. I probably should have started the video. Yeah, man, I look at that something that could have helped her for real and not lying to you. You know? I look at that thing, I'm sure my start about.
Better, who say where the fuck you talk about? Enough man I hate when they walk out. Me I fuck them girl up and I goes every day. I mean she a talk about. When you man the girl come we sort out. Come chill with the narco. Look on the bench and me march up. Girl I quick them eye when me pass up. Kill them with style when me floss up. Blow the ice when me rock, make me time cold. On the pussy can't style when I'm high show. Every fucking pussy girl have to climb up. Just do when me say man I sign up. I'ma talk and talk, talk and talk and talk. Boy you better watch where you walk. Anywhere we go we lock. Bullet in her head down her back. Every girl fear get back shot.
Yes, look at that could have helped her. That's how I really want you. It's been about Terry Vlogs, aka Reaction Boss. What are your thoughts on the song? Rate the song from 1 through 10 down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the song. You understand me? Yes, and the video is always a 10 because it's clean and I love that about it. You understand me? What your thoughts? Again, it's been about Terry Vlogs. Subscribe if you don't subscribe. 40k is real. You understand me? We are currently sitting at 800 away. 800 away. Follow my Instagram at Terry Vlogs. Get me to 10k followers over there also. We still start doing giveaways once we hit 10k. It's been about Terry Vlogs. Peace out.